Just doing a wee tutorial for Caledonia by Dougie MacLean. Well, he's the main singer of it. Lots of other guys covered it too. So the chords I play is G, D, E minor, C, and then sometimes C with the pinky on and the first string. Now I'm going to do a wee single strum version at the start here for the beginners players and then the advanced guys. So if you guys want to forward the video on a little bit, you'll see me doing a little strum pattern for you. And if you're more advanced beginners, stick with us here, see how you go on, and then forward the video on and try that part. So make it easier for both. So as the first bit's beginners, last bit's for advanced. So we'll start off in the G, D, E minor, C, and I'll call out the chord slowly. I don't know the G if you can see the D, E minor. If the changes I have come over the C, in these past 3 days with the G, I've been afraid of the D, that I might drift away. I want E, C. So I've been telling old stories with the G and singing songs with the D. That makes me think about where I come from. I want E minor to the C. And that's the reasons with the G why I seem to be so far away with the E minor to the A, the C, and the C, and the pinky. Main chorus. The G, exact same way. And let me tell you that I love you, D, and I think about you, E minor, all the time. C, stay in the C, Caledonia. To the G, you're calling me. Now I'm going to the D, in home to the D, G to the D, and to the G. If I should become a stranger to the D, you know, E minor, it would make me more than sad. To the C, stay in the C, Caledonia, a little bit different here. To the D, and everything I've ever had with the G, back to the D. Now we go back to the G. Oh, I have moved, and I've kept on moving with the D. To the E minor, I've proved the point that I need to prove the C. To the G, lost the friends that I need losing, and others on the way. See the pinky. Oh, to the G, oh, and I have tried. To the D, and I've kept on trying. E minor, stolen dreams, yes, there's northern eye on the C. And I've travelled hard. The G, the D, with conscience blind. The E minor, somewhere where in the C. And then you just repeat the main chorus that you did just a few seconds ago. And it comes into the part of the song where now I'm sitting here before the fire. So start the G. Now I'm sitting here, the G, before the fire, the D. To the E minor, the empty room, the C, forest choir. To the G, playing the good. D, any higher. To the E minor, whether now C, to the G, steady thinking, my way is clear with the D. To E minor, I know what I will do. The C, tomorrow, and when to the G, hands are shaking. To the D, and the kisses blow. To the E minor, and I will disappear. The C, see the pinky. And then it repeats the main song, or the main chorus again. Oh, let me tell you that I love you. And at the very end of that's the end of the song. But it comes in, that at the very end of that would make me more than sad, which is on the sad part finishes at C. That would make me more than sad with a C. Stay in the C, Caledonia. To the D, it's been everything. To the G I've ever had. Back to the D. And then you just I would repeat that little part. because it sounds nice finishing on it twice. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. That's it. The strum pattern, I'll just do a little part of this, guys, and you should figure out, you should advance, guys, because I know you're amazing. A1. So we'll start off with an intro, and then we'll come in. So we intro first. G, D, E, C, and with the C of the pinky, and then I'll kick in, play a little bit of the first part, maybe in the main chorus, and then that'll do you. Sure, you guys will get her. So. The changes that have come over me in these past few days, I've been afraid that I might drift away. So I've been telling old stories and singing songs that make me think about where I came from, and that's the reasons why I seem so far away. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. If I should become a stranger, you know it could make me more than sad. And that's it, guys. You guys can get that, no bother. Please get the subscribes in. It really helps me. It helps my page, and shares to your friends. Get the videos shared and get somebody else getting the benefit of it, and then it'll benefit me to benefit you. Thanks, guys, for your support, and hopefully this helps you. Get in touch if there's any way I can help you, even if there's something I'm doing wrong that you think. Sure, let me know, and I'll try and improve for the next video. Thanks, guys. Take care. All the best.